Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2016 Infiniti Q60 premium all-wheel drive that we have for sale. This one we acquired directly from Infiniti Financial Services. It's an off-lease vehicle, one owner clean Carfax. You do have a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. 2016 is a great year for the Q50 because it got a new VR30 twin turbo V6 featuring direct injection. So you have improved performance and fuel efficiency with that cool new turbocharged engine. Lots of great features. Here we have a drive mode selector that changes throttle sensitivity, transmission shift points, traction and stability control settings for different driving situations. This one has heated front seats as well as a heated steering wheel. You'll notice that the Q50 has a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Really cool stuff. The Q50 is actually one of the first vehicles of its kind to have a dual display system. Moonroof, automatic dimming mirror for universal garage door opener. This one has 34,732 miles at the time of making this video. The steering wheel is power, tilt, and telescoping, so it goes up and down and in and out. Of course, it has Bluetooth hands-free phone system, Bluetooth audio streaming. Bose Performance audio system for you music lovers. It really is a great Bose sound system. Beautiful color combination and white on black. Also has tinted windows, which is a nice contrast with that white exterior. The Q50 is built on the advanced front midship platform, also shared with the older G35, Q60 sports car, and the Nissan 370Z sports car. So of all that sports car DNA baked into this Q50, it really rewards you with excellent driving dynamics. It's a very fun car to drive. It has a 300 horsepower turbocharged engine. It also has a rear-wheel drive based platform. This one's an all-wheel drive model, but it's rear-wheel drive based, so it feels like a rear-wheel drive sports car with the help of intelligent all-wheel drive. The reason why the all-wheel drive system is intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, like when conditions are dry like this, it's going to send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. This Q50 is always monitoring driving conditions, so as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. Why do they do that? Well, if the all-wheel drive system is constantly working, it's going to reduce gas mileage, and it's also going to chew through your tires a little bit faster. And also with having that rear-wheel drive bias, again, it feels like a rear-wheel drive sports car. So that's why they do that. Really is a beautiful design. Dual exiting exhaust system for a little bit more of an aggressive stance. Even though it's considered a compact vehicle, interior space is rather generous, especially the rear seat accommodations. The rear doors open nice and wide to make entry and exit from the rear a lot easier. Interior is well appointed with nice materials, including that beautiful brushed aluminum. HID lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. And here we have that new VR30 twin turbo engine. 300 horsepower, features direct injection. Direct injection works by sending highly pressurized gas directly into the combustion chamber. Generally that reduces emissions, improves horsepower, and also improves fuel economy. This Q50 also has a balance of a 4-year, 60,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Infiniti has one of the longest bumper-to-bumper warranties that you can get from a manufacturer. And on top of that, you have a 6-year, 70,000 mile warranty on the powertrain, which covers the engine, transmission, and sealed drive components. This Q50 is also backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchased from us, be it new or pre-owned, and that's why we have that 5-day money-back guarantee. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.